Rescuing files and commits from no branch in Git. I started working on some files I had in a Git submodule under another project. However, since it was a Git submodule, it never checked out master and instead just checked out the head and placed all the files in the folder in no branch. Now that I've made some changes by accident to these files, I just realized that I was working in a no branch submodule of my project. How do I get those files into a branch, like master, so I can rescue them?
You can use git reflog to find the lost commits.
The no branch state is called a detached head. It is called this because the head ref is not attached to any branch, instead it is pointing directly at a commit. To attach head to a branch that points to the current head commit, use git checkout branch name. You can safely update an existing branch to include the commits at head with this sequence. Or, equivalently, using the reflog notation head at 1, to avoid having to make the temporary branch. Using the temporary branch would be a good idea if you were not going to do the merge immediately. If you want to forcibly overwrite an existing branch to point to the commit at head, you can use git branch f branch name and amp semicolon and amp git checkout branch name. If the commit at head is not based on the current tip of branch name, this will result in a non-fast forward change to branch name, which you usually want to avoid. It is viewed as rewriting history.
To add to previous answers. While you're still on a detached head, you can add a tag. This will add a tag to the commit, which will make it visible in Git and other tools.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.